Hey guys, so welcome to my channel Wise Man. So today we are going to see that how can you make this type of threads in any part file in Solidworks. So this is cosmetic threads, and what will it do? It will just give you a visual of thread, like it's just give the visual, it's not the actual thread, but that's just the visual. So how to give this visual for a thread? So what happens, like if you make any thread, you can't see any visual for that thread because it's there, and you can see that from this dotted line. This means the thread is there, but you can't see the actual thread for any part. So how to do this? So let's first make a like a straight thread. I am choosing, go to position. Here I'm making it like this. So I have made this thread, and you can see that you can get this visual of thread. Now if you go to view, go to insert, go to annotation, here you need to go to cosmetic thread, then only you can give this visual. Here as you can see, here the threads has been changed. So in this way the threading option, the visual has been changed. So what happens sometimes, if you give this, if you insert the annotation of cosmetic thread, what happens, it sometimes didn't appear. Why? Because some in your setting options it is not visible. So how to do that? If you go to setting by clicking on this setting option, go to document properties, here you have to go to detailing. If this display field like cosmetic thread is unchecked, if you also need to uncheck this shaded cosmetic thread. If you uncheck this shaded cosmetic thread, what happens, this will it will not shown in your part file, as you can see here. So there the thread is there, but you can't see, and the cosmetic thread is only for your visual. So again you need to go to setting and go to document properties, go to detailing, and check both this shaded cosmetic thread and cosmetic thread. After clicking on that, you can see that you can see the cosmetic thread, and that's only a visual. Also you can see this dash line. This dash line, it means that it is the part has been threaded. So if you go to setting, document properties, detailing, and if you uncheck this cosmetic thread, what happens, the dash part is taken out, and that means that you can't see that you can't realize that the hole is threaded. So you need to check both the options for cosmetic thread and shaded cosmetic thread. If you uncheck this, that's fine, but you need to always check this cosmetic thread option, so that you can inspect that the part or any hole is threaded. So in this way you can get some visual of threads in your part drawing. So thank you for watching the video.